Our next set of problems says to solve the equation or inequality showing all work. Number 12, we have an inequality. And I know the first thing I need to do is get rid of this 5 in the denominator, separate it from my numerator, and I accomplish that by multiplying both sides of my expression by 5. 5 over 5 will simplify down and leave me with a w minus 2 on the left side of my inequality. Negative 1 times 5 would then be negative 5. And the last step would be to add 2 to both sides. So w is less than negative 3. Number 13, again we have another inequality. I'm going to begin with my reverse order of operations, so subtraction and or addition. And here I have subtraction taking place in the problem, so I will do its opposite or inverse operation. So I will add 2 to both sides. Adding 2 cancels the negative 2 out on the left side of the inequality. So I will drop down the negative 5y. It's still greater than or equal to 30. Next step is to divide by negative 5 because I have a negative 5 in front of my y. Divide both sides by negative 5, and anytime I divide both sides by a positive, anytime I divide or multiply both sides by a negative, I need to change my inequality symbol or flip it. So now my negative 5 over negative 5 is 1. I drop down a y. My 30 divided by negative 5 would be negative 6. My solution would be y is less than or equal to negative 6. Number 14, another inequality. Negative 7d plus 8 is greater than 29, so I want to first subtract 8 from both sides. So negative 7d is greater than 21. Divide by negative 7 on both sides. If I divide by a negative on both sides, then I need to flip my inequality symbol. And d is less than now negative 3.